Hello YouTube, let's generate emails from specific list in Python. So you have a list with accounts and you need to basically concatenate those accounts with @ symbol with specific domain. Maybe you're doing some kind of reports, you're sending that list to commercial marketing department, or you're just populating some kind of database, something like that. So list with emails will contain, for example, names like Michael, of course lowercase because we are dealing with names, with emails, John, and I don't know, Samantha. Okay. Now domain will be, of course, string domain.com, and symbol, you can skip this, but why not, you can put that into variable, and or you can use it alive in a code. Okay, so for some x specific value in lists of accounts, we will just for start print that specific x plus symbol plus domain. And when we run our script, result invalid syntax. Oh yeah, for x in. And that's about it. So really simple stuff. As I said, you can skip this hard coding and you can use it directly here and you will get absolutely same results. Now, question is how to put this list into external file if you need it for some reason. So let's open first file. With open will, you need to provide two arguments here: name of file, external txt, and mode of operation will be writing. And of course, when we are done, we need to close our file, and that's about it. Now when we run our program, oh yeah, I skipped the major part here. So we will substitute print with file write, and this will remain same. So let's run our script, and result will be into that external file. Okay, now there is error here. Everything is concatenated because I forgot to use a new line with /n, and now when we run our script, a content from before will be overwritten because W stands for delete everything. And if you want to just append, use A here for append. So that's about it. Really simple stuff. Why is this useful? Well, you can easily change here domains like domain 3, something like that, but this is stupid, you already know that. Can you took that domain from keyboard? Yes. Input enter domain, and now when you run your script, I hope that you can see that right here domain will be test domain. When you press enter, everything will be into our file with results. Okay, so that's about it. Testdomain.com. Very simple stuff. As I said, you will often use this to populate some kind of database. You will pass that data to another application which will mass mail reports or something what you need to mail to a lot of people. It's up to you to decide. And as always, thank you for watching and see you in next tutorials.